This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. A warm welcome to the last of this month's delivery, issue 42 of Build Your Own Ford GT. So without further ado, we'll get on with looking through the magazine, learning a little bit about racing, and then getting on with the building. The 1967 International Championship. For sports prototypes. All right, so it won in, did it not win in 66 or something? I read the things and then it goes instantly out of my brain straight away, so I don't know anything as ever. But yeah, the Mark IV, Mario Andretti, that's a name that I'm familiar with, I've heard. And Bruce McLaren, that's another name that I'm familiar with. So yeah, at least I do learn some things at some point. I don't like the huge spoilers. Spoilers are never a good thing. That looks pretty. That looks quite nice, yeah. I'd drive one of these around. So this is the chassis inner frame part, the fourth. Another little piece, much smaller than that, which is going in line along there and being held in place with 5 screws. So the 4 that I kept aside from last time aren't quite enough. Right, let me clear this out of the way. We'll get it on and be done for the month. So parts supplied this time, obviously the part, the same with the little notches and stuff. Packet of screws, which I'm not going to use. I delved down my supply of FD01 screws and pulled out 1 spare, so I can leave that packet intact. I shall put that away and use the 4 that I'd saved up and that one. So here we go. This is adding on to here. The chassis is getting quite substantial and weighty. Do make sure that you tighten down all of the screws properly on each part of the frame as you put it in, because you don't want anything loose and wobbly. Nobody needs a wobbly frame. So this is going on there, and as I thought, the 3 down here and 2 at the top are attaching, not these and not those. They are just there for other things to attach to later. So that pops together quite nicely like that. And once again, it's got an order for tightening the screws in, which I'm going to basically ignore. I'm going to put the screws in, but not tighten them down as yet. Once they're all in and secure, you can go around and tighten them up in basically in any order you like. But it's always worth doing the outside first and leaving that one in the middle for last. So I'll get these 4 in like that, get the last one on there, and then go and tighten them all up. So that's another build. Basically, that one, not the build done. I've got a way to go yet before the entire thing is finished. But do let me know in the comments if you're enjoying the build. Leave a like and a comment and a subscribe if you haven't already. It would be great and help the channel out immensely. You can also become a channel member if you like by clicking the little join button underneath this or any of my videos. That will also help out the channel immensely. So thank you very much for joining and helping out. Thank you very much for watching, even if you're not helping out. That's also much appreciated. So I'll get these last couple of screws tightened up, and then I shall put this aside for another month until another package arrives from DeAgostini, who are very kindly sponsoring this build for me and sending me out the parts for me to build it for your educational needs. So thank you very much for watching. Stick around for more part works until this one comes around again, and I shall see you for this in another few weeks. So thanks for watching, stay safe, I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.